What do you think, people?
Wait no. Any mini man get up the bicycle.
Yes, and you're helping us some test.
Go. Any mini man. He said downtown Kingston.
Downtown.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Nishoy and
The one and only
So and today we'll be doing the How Jamaican Are You challenge. Now we have 10 questions. Nina's gonna answer 10, Mia gonna answer 10.
Yeah, I'll just throw the 10 questions out there and whoever get the right answer, just get the right answer and that's it.
So we have to knock it table when you answer.
Why?
A razor. Alright, it's alright. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And here we go. Let's go into the video.
Boom. Alright, people. So we're pretty much using our website. Not sure of the name of the website. phillyrules.com, and it has some trivia question about Jamaica. So here's the first question. What is the largest parish in Jamaica? Should we really look at the options in here? So for the one off, we just tell the largest. What largest parish in Jamaica?
St. Anne's.
St. who?
St. Anne's. St. Anne's is the largest parish.
Think what it?
Oh yeah, I have to send it.
St. Anne's.
Oh, Cherryios.
Alright, so
yeah,
it's St. Anne's. I think it's St. Anne's. Let's check St. Anne's. Correct. Alright, let's go on to the next one now.
Next question.
Let me see the thing now, man.
No, you don't have to see it. It said managed water is commonly served at weddings, nights, and parties. What is it, and what is the main ingredient? Everybody know that.
Yeah, what main ingredients?
No goat.
Of what I got?
Some part I goat.
Nah, man, like goat head soup, man.
Are you the answer?
The goat soup, and I use me on the head of the goat, not the soup. What do you think? What do you think?
That every part I goat into it.
Every part I got.
So make it ring. So if I know,
because the goat ring overall. The goat ring overall.
The goat head supposed to ring the long. Alright, continue. Next question.
Don't get this one right. I bet you.
Come now.
When did Jamaica became an independent nation from Britain?
You're serious?
1962.
1960 what?
2.
Remember, you know, the Spanish them went there first. So which one of them?
1962.
You sure?
Yes. I'm not sure of that.
Which month?
August 6, 1962.
Oh my God!
Alright. Which parish is the birthplace of river rafting?
River rafting. Jesus Christ. I'm still trying to St. Anne.
St. Anne's, you say?
Yeah.
St. Anne's, you say?
St. Anne.
You're sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You're sure.
If I don't I do, I usually go work. So St. Anne's. I'm not sure though. Incorrect.
Got it!
That's what I mean. I say if you're sure.
So,
here we go. Next question. Come read the question.
Right?
Ready?
Yeah, which parish has the lowest elevation?
Which parish have the lowest elevation?
Which parish is the lowest?
Let me see parish number today.
Okay, so we have St. Catherine, we have Kingston, St. Elizabeth, and Clarendon.
Clarendon.
Clarendon have the lowest elevation? Alright.
Wait. People are nothing. Clarendon are St. Elizabeth.
Don't tell her. You're supposed to know.
Place have the lowest. You never hear of that yet.
What do you mean you never hear of that?
You ever hear of the lowest?
Which parish are lowest?
One time when me and my auntie come from Kingston,
That is
we
good.
drive through Clarendon and the
But
water
ask you,
reach you
which
up at the
parish
building that
are the lowest?
and go in like engine.
What?
And the water go in like engine.
And what?
We think of Clarendon. Come, put it in
Alright, so
Clarendon.
you select Clarendon.
How much question gone already?
Clarendon.
5 out of 10.
Wrong!
So Kingston are lowest.
Kingston is the lowest parish.
And Kingston have a... Next question. Which
Dun,
town
dun.
in Jamaica was the first to have telephones?
Black River.
A Black River, you say?
Yeah.
A Black River first?
A Black
Sure.
River. Make sure I know about the foolish. It's a Black River. Oh, you mean?
Okay.
Town
Right.
in Jamaica is the first to have a car.
Let me see the option.
Here are the towns. Spanish Town,
Town,
Falmouth,
Falmouth,
Downtown
Downtown,
Kingston, or Black River.
Enemy.
What do you think, people?
Wait no. Enemy man. Check up the vice.
You think you're helping us some test, you know?
Go. Enemy man. He said Downtown Kingston.
Downtown Kingston. Alright, so she select Downtown Kingston. Wrong. Incorrect. Black River.
So Black River have two things one time. Black River don't answer.
Yes, man.
Anyways, let's go. Go to the next question.
Next question. It's all you. I think you're the one supposed to.
Next question. The parish of St. Thomas is considered to be windward side of the island. Is this true or false?
Windward?
Mhm.
Thomas.
St. Thomas.
True.
True?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it's false.
Alright.
Alright,
So
but
if you
it's
say,
true.
if you're wrong, you lose 1 point.
No. I think I try TV.
Yeah, okay.
No, man, you're wrong.
Yeah, no.
People, as you can see, who have general knowledge.
Okay, mine? Okay, good. GoldenEye is the name of Ian Fleming's home in Jamaica, the author of James Bond novels. Where in Jamaica is it located?
Where the option?
Portland.
Portland. Nobody can tell me, say, Anna, Portland. Come, ready. Portland, you say.
Alright.
Port Antonio, Portland.
Alright, people, she said Portland. Wrong.
Oh, that wrong.
Oh my god. St. Mary.
I said Mary.
St. Mary.
Oh my God.
All
Or
13 of
Rockabissa.
novels.
We never know that. How many species of birds are unique to Jamaica?
9.
Look at the 9.
9, just 9.
Alright, these are 9. Let's see.
You
Right.
said 9.
Hey,
28.
see the people.
I don't know that. I'm not talking about that combo.
28, they say yes. 28 birds or what that unique to Jamaica. So people, we're going to round 2. Jamaica first. Read it
Same
back.
birds will carry news come and the same birds take it back.
It means say, the meaning of that say, are the same people that will carry news come tell you, are the same people that carry back to tell somebody else. Different. In a one different way. We don't know.
Say it again.
It say, the same person that will carry one news come tell you, and the same one them carry back to somebody else, but in a one different way.
Okay, so yes, that would be right. The one cause here is the person who bring gossip to you is likely the same person to gossip about you.
People, this is it. 1, 2, 3. When Eskimo have money, him buy fridge.
Oh, you remember You remember? We go again.
Oh God, please, no, that would be nice, please. Thief!
When people find a little extra cash.
No! Wrong! I told that thief. Two teeth. So that one is out. We scratch that question. Next.
Never know answer, so well, we just, you know. But come, let's go teeth, man. Give me this.
Are you?
I mean what?
Oh, alright. My go.
Okay. After you see it already?
I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna watch it.
What is it about?
I'm gonna read it.
Alright.
Why? Yung pa question na yung hard to read.
Okay.
Alright, move on. Robot. My eyebrow.
Alright, so what do you use your shawl up when the character gone?
What do you use your shawl up
Yes.
when the character gone?
Yes.
Why are you being shy when the character already out there?
Okay.
Incorrect.
Pleasure in the misfortunes of others as the same could happen to you.
Lord of mercy. Who come up with
It is
this in
no
here?
use to pretend to be something you are not. Your true character will always show. You're wrong.
Did that take long to say? Just every jackass say him Kobe a racehorse.
In Kobe? What's a Kobe?
Probably in Pitney.
Every jackass say in Kobe a racehorse.
Racehorse, yeah.
Probably.
And then Cobb. You know, then Cobb. Then Pitney a
every
racehorse.
parent
Go on, man.
probably every parent think big of their children or something like that.
I want this! Go there! Touch on my face. I want you to get that right. I'm not cheat the one. It says interpretation. It says parents always think that their children are the best or are destined for greatness.
Right. You pop color. Alright. Fish, they are river bottom until you say alligator have gum boil. Believe him.
If somebody in a trouble and they tell us that certain things are going, listen to what the person have to say. Please tell me say that right.
What? If somebody in a trouble. Somebody in a trouble.
Yeah, if you're in trouble and somebody's telling no, come again.
If fish, they are
No,
river
so if somebody is in trouble and they're telling you not to come here because this is happening, listen. Take heed. Yes, go on. Tell me what I mean. I feel like I get that wrong.
It's not that bad, but what it's trying to say, listen to the voice of experience.
Same thing. Alright, next question. The first water hog pass him wash himself. The first water hog passes, he washes himself.
The first water hand.
Hog. H-O-G. Hog.
The first water hog pass and he washes himself. Yes, right. What's me know? I was the people for being.
Oh, hell
I know. Seize the day and don't let an opportunity pass you. You never let an opportunity pass
Yo,
you.
whenever I hear I'm a market.
My mouth, I'm a market.
Yes.
My mouth. I'm a mouth. And my mouth make me have food.
What? What the fuck?
my mouth me use to get food.
Oh, no.
And my mouth me use to promote then.
What?
And my mouth me use to promote. Me use
Promote what?
talk, forget buy if we close it.
There's nothing in here.
Me don't know that
If
mean.
your mouth put you in a problem there, ass. Alright, free speech. I am free to say what I want. My mouth is my market. Who is on the $10? Jamaican $10. And don't look for no $10. Don't look for no $10. Who is on the $10?
Me don't know.
Who is on the $10? You have $10 small.
Tell me some people.
I mean, what tell some people? Don't go in and no. That can't find none.
Tell me now. Tell me. How the money? I don't even know that man to box cover. Yo, wicked and lie. You tell Mr. George William God the pants. Who you tell me the pan $10?
And you believe me?
People, you don't tell me say. You don't tell me say. Some shot the pan $10. Anyways,
Oh my
guys.
God.
So I think this is the end of the video, of course. You have nothing to say?
It's ironic how we use money every day and we barely know who the fan
So-
is.
We're gonna do a part 2, but we need to find some interesting questions. Right? No, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. And yes, guys, I love you all. And we are out. People, I'm over here. Cute, not sure what my eyelash name. Now, this is from my business page. Bougie Necessities. Go and check out the page on Instagram. All my social medias will be in the description box and also on the screen. Alrighty, guys. Bye.